Yeah, there was
Quickly.
a blind man getting onto a bus. He was struggling to get up the stairs. Someone on the bus saw him and had compassion on him, gave up their seat so the blind man could sit down. Was that a good thing or a bad thing?
Of course it's a good thing.
In most cases, you're right.
You gotta help
Absolutely
the
right.
people.
Yeah, you're helping somebody out. In this specific case, though, it was the bus driver. Now you have a blind man driving the bus with a bunch of people in it. That's a paradigm shift.
No, that's obviously bad.
Yeah, it turned into, because I filled you in on the information, you got to see the bad side of the coin, and that, then they put people's lives in danger because you got a guy that can't even see driving down the road with a bunch of people in it. So the next paradigm shift for you, do you think you're a good person compared to most people?
I guess so, but that's not a very high bar.
Yeah, well, most people if you ask most people that question, are they a good person? I've talked to a lot of people. Yeah,
they'll mostly say yeah.
They'll tell you. The default answer is I'm a good person. I asked someone today if they're a good person. They'll tell you exactly what they told me. So I've been addressing your mind, your intellect, and now I'm going to speak directly to your conscience. The word conscience actually means two words. It means with knowledge. Con, with, and science, knowledge. So how many lies do you think you've told in your whole life?
Countless.
Okay, what do you call someone who tells lies?
A sinner.
Well, more specifically, if I told you a lie, what would you call me? It starts with an L. Call me a liar, right?
Yeah.
You ever stolen anything ever in your whole life, irrespective of the value when you were a kid?
I stole a piece of candy.
Okay, me too. What do you call someone who steals?
A thief.
Yep, so you just told me you're a lying thief, and I still think you're a good person.
Well, compared to murder, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
We're all sinners.
Well, we're getting to that. Have you ever used God's name in vain? OMG in a text, or you hit your finger with a hammer? And out of the pain and anger, because it hurts, out comes out of your mouth, GODDAM, and that really hurt. You ever use God's name in blasphemy ever in your whole life?
I suppose.
Yeah. God gave you and I eyes to see.
Yeah.
A brain to think with, taste buds to enjoy good food. Man, you and I were upright and breathing. We're not sitting in some hospital bed dying of cancer. Do you realize 600,000 people die of cancer every year? Not get cancer, but die of cancer. And we use God's holy name and use as a cuss word to express disgust. This is the one that'll get most men. It'll nail most men to the wall. Jesus said if you look at a woman and lust for her, you committed adultery with her in your heart. You ever looked at a naked picture of a woman ever in your whole life?
Possibly.
Okay, have you had sex outside of marriage?
I have not.
Okay.